Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and it's a very exciting purple post day today. I have a painting to share with you all from Diamond Art Studio. As always, amazingly wrapped. Thank you for your purchase and the gorgeous purple ribbon. Luna loves opening this ribbon. And then we have some gorgeous wrapping in brown paper, which if you're careful and take this off carefully, you have Christmas wrapping. Nice sticker as well. I love seeing presents wrapped up in brown paper. So this is always a nice way to get a little bit more. Recycling at its best. But yeah, I have to unbox for you today one of their many amazing paintings, of course. But this is one of their, I say older designs, it's not an old design, but it's one of their platinum collection pieces. It's got some really good reviews on this one. But I've got the square version, but it does come in square or round. You do have the option for either. It is a 60 by 80 centimetres for the actual canvas. Sorry, the drill area. The canvas itself is bigger. The canvas is 68 by 88. But look at this. It has 34 different colours. While this is an older design, it does still have the nice sticker paper, and it is the individual stickers. It does have the individual stickers as well. So as always, if you turn it upside down and flatten those down, helps to make sure that you don't lose any. Though I think I've gained somebody else's 819, apologies in advance. But this one is called Times Square. As you can imagine, looks like Times Square on potentially New Year's Eve. All the pretty fireworks going off in the back. So yeah, we have 34 different colours on this one. There is confetti, though there is some blockiness as well to get in this 310 in the background, but you're not going to get bored of it because there's going to be a firework in the way. This would be a really nice painting to switch out and put some ABs in the fireworks. That would be a really nice one to do it on. But yeah, it has 34 different colours. It is the standard diamonds, but you can get it in round or square depending on what your preference is. You can get it with or without a toolkit. I always get it without because I use my own trays and pens. But yeah, absolutely gorgeous image, and look at those diamonds. We do have quite a bit of 310 as you would expect, but it is sort of all this background is 310, but then you do have all this colour with the lights and with the fireworks, so you're not really going to have too much time to get bored of it. You're not doing solid background colours, but look at those colours that you put in. Oh, is that it's got 907. Love a bit of 907 and 704. Nice bright limey greens. I think they really do pop. That blue's gorgeous as well. Is that 3846? Oh, there is some 996 and 995 in there as well. All comes in baggies, which is really good. It does have the DMC numbers on there for you, and of course you've got the stickers as well to be able to label up your pots. Some gorgeous colours in here. Let's pick out a few of my favourites. 310 has its place and it will definitely make these colours pop. I want to do it that way. I want to see what some of these gorgeous colours are. 3761, and the diamonds are really nice as well. Their square diamonds are always really nice. And then we have this limey green 907. I only like this colour in diamond painting, but I think it really does make a diamond painting pop. What else have we? Oh, that pink's nice. 3607. See all these night, well, I mean that's paler, but we've got some really nice bright colours to bring some pops into that background. I just keep pulling out different colours here. Look at those. See, it's like summer. It's like summer in November. And I think New York can get colder than we can in winter time or New Year time, which is sort of when this is set, though I don't know whether that's the only case. Maybe you could class it as a 4th of July. But yeah, look at those gorgeous colours. It's amazing how you can put colours together and get all these different looks on paintings. But if I try and show you what I mean, let's try this bit because I can get this closer to the camera. But you can see this square is your black, and you do have blocks of the black, but mixed in with that you've got all your nice bright colours for your fireworks, which will make your fireworks pop. I love the way that that one looks like it's mid pop. You know, it's when lots of the different fireworks all go off at once. See here, it's all mid pop. One of them's popped, but the rest of them are mid popping. And then of course you've got all the billboards and things, and the heart. Yeah, you've got all of the signs and all that sort of stuff that you can do. Sorry, I'm not sure if my camera focused down the bottom, but you've got all your signs and your billboards and your well-known brand down here as well. That, yeah, it is a nice amount of confetti, but with the odd period where you've got that darker colour that makes you feel like you're still making some progress, which is what I love. This is my ideal kind of painting. I love the image, but not just the image, the actual way that you do it. So I often do the shorter edges, but what I'll find is along my strip I'll have some batches where I do quite a bit of a block of a colour, and then I fill in with some confetti, which gives it that nice colour look to it that makes it feel as though you have placed different colours. But then you'll have a section where it's really lots and lots of different colours. You might find that you do it a bit slower, and then you come to another part that has a bigger section of black and you do that bit a little bit faster. So I find it means that you don't get as, say, bored of the painting. I don't know if that's the right thing to say, because I just love sitting and diamond painting anyway. But yeah, I love the type that has some confetti mixed in with a few prominent colours that you can still do in big blocks. And quite often when I have a painting that has quite a lot of black, I like to do that colour first, and then I do the other colours. So I'll do all the black in whatever section I've got. I'll, you know, say that section, I'll do all the black, and then I'll fill in all the colours. And sometimes I decide to go in the order that I've got them in my case. Sometimes I decide to pick the most bottom corner, and sometimes I do it by whichever symbol pops out to me. I like to vary that up because it also spice of life, isn't it? By varying things up. But yeah, I think it would be amazing to change maybe one or two colours, maybe even just up in the fireworks. The fireworks would definitely be the easy part, to change up just one or 2 of them in each sparkle to some AB. I don't like to change too many because I think you lose the effect of the ABs, but to do a couple would really add that extra little bit of sparkle, especially to the top. If you're brave enough, you could potentially do it on the likes of the billboards as well. I'm probably just not quite that brave, though you never know. You never know. Once I've pulled out a colour to change, I might decide to change a few more just to see how it goes. But this would look amazing with or without ABs. It's a little way of stamping it and making it your own, isn't it? To just change a few different colours out, and I think this image would be an amazing one to do it on. So I will pop the link to this one down below, but I say it is a 60 by 80 and you can get it in square or round. But yeah, I think it's just stunning. One from their platinum collection, and gorgeous quality canvas and drills as always. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.